These motivational YouTube shorts, Instagram reels and TikTok videos are getting millions of views. This faceless YouTube channel is making $50,000 every month with these simple motivational videos. So in this video, I will show you how you can copy motivational videos from viral TikTok videos with 100% free from copyright. Especially on TikTok, these videos are performing extremely very well. I'm going to search motivation on TikTok, briefly show you some results.
Real loser is somebody that's so afraid of not winning, they don't even try.
Don't make excuses. Don't blame any other person or any other thing.
Some people don't come in your life to love you. They come into your life to use you.
Denzel said to me a few minutes ago, he said, at your highest moment, be careful, that's when the devil comes for you.
Those videos made from original motivational videos. So let me show you how you can copy these videos. Go to TikTok and download your favorite motivational video. After you finish, convert that video to MP3 and then separate voice from background music. Okay. Go to this website called Vocal Remover to remove background music from our motivational video. Click Browse My Files, select your MP3 audio file. After the process is done, reduce the music volume and increase the vocal volume. Click Save button and select Vocal. Finish. Now we have to download stock footage for our motivational video. For this, go to YouTube and type stock footage for motivational videos and download the video. Now move on the final step. Open your video editing app. For this tutorial, I'm gonna use CapCut. New project. Select our motivational stock footage. Mute the sound and change the aspect ratio to portrait. Now let's add our original audio. And then adjust the video and align it with the audio flow. After that, let's add captions. Click Auto Captions and Start. Now change the text direction in the middle of the video. Click Style and add your favorite text and font style. Click Animations, Captions and select your choice. Then let's add some transition. Finally, add background music. Reduce the music volume. Now we finish the editing process. Let's watch the end result.
Today is difficult. Tomorrow is much more difficult. The day after tomorrow is beautiful. Today is difficult. Tomorrow is much more difficult. The day after tomorrow is beautiful. Most people die tomorrow evening.
So this is by far the easiest way to copy motivational videos. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe in my channel. Thanks for watching, till next time.